Hello students and welcome back. This is the part 2 of the development chapter MCQ and short questions. I hope you are enjoying these videos. If you are, please do like, subscribe and share my channel. That keeps me motivated. Let's quickly begin the part 2. One common development goal among the people is freedom, security, income or family. Again a very easy one I believe. We know one common development goal सबकी यही होता है कि मेरी तनख्वाह ज़्यादा हो, I get more income and all that stuff. So answer is it's income. Kerala has low infant mortality rate because it has adequate provisions of basic health and educational facilities. It has adequate infrastructure. It has good climatic conditions, or it has poor net attendance ratio. Answer is, students, Kerala has low infant mortality rate because it has adequate provisions of basic health and educational facilities. You will be knowing that Kerala has got highest literacy rate as well. Life expectancy at birth means average expected length of a child at the time of birth, average expected length of a life of a person at the time of the birth, average expected length of life of a person at the time of death, or none of the above. Very easy students. Life expectancy का मतलब होता है average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth, यानी कि वो पैदा होने के बाद कितने साल तक या कितने टाइम तक जिएगा. So if we refer the book also, it says life expectancy at birth denotes, as the name suggests, average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth. तो हम देखेंगे लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी बर्थ सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ पे है. वी हैव इन श्रीलंका, यानी कि पैदा होने के बाद एवरेज ये माना जाता है कि जो बंदा है वो 75 ईयर्स तक जिएगा. सबसे कम है वी हैव लोएस्ट इन पाकिस्तान, दैट इज 66.6, नॉट टू लेस देन इंडिया बिकॉज इंडिया में 68.80 है. In World Development Reports brought out by the World Bank, which criteria is used in classifying countries? Classify country को किया जाता है low income countries और rich countries. Options हैं per capita income, gross income, total income और net income. Very easy again. It is the criteria used is per capita income. In which state in India is the infant mortality rate lowest? Again, very easy. Punjab, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh or Kerala. Answer is Kerala. Pick out the correct meaning listed below to define average income. Normally, average income is equivalent to per capita income. The average income is the same as per capita income. That is correct. The average income includes the value of property held. No. Average income of the country means the total income of the country. No. The average income is the country's income of only employed people. No. So we know the answer. The average income means it is the same as per capita income. Pick out the cause that enhances environmental degradation. हमने इसमें से कोई एक ऐसा ऑप्शन चूज करना है जिससे कि जो कि एनवायरनमेंट को डिग्रेड करता है. बैन ऑन यूज ऑफ प्लास्टिक बैग्स, नो, इट हेल्प्स environment. Planting of trees, that also helps. Prevention of factory waste getting mixed with river water, that is also, it will help. Allowing increase in the level of exhaust fumes emitted by cars, buses, etc., that degrades the environment. So answer is this one. Human Development Report is published by World Bank, UNDP, WHO or IMF, and answer to this is it is published by UNDP. If we refer the book also, Human Development Report published by UNDP compares countries based on the educational levels of the people, their health status and per capita income. If women are engaged in paid work, what difference does it make? यानी कि अगर जो लेडीज़ हैं, if they are engaged in पैसा कमाएंगे in paid work, their dignity in the household and society increases. There is no difference. There is no dignity, or the dignity in the household and society decreases. Answer is their dignity in the household and society increases if they are engaged in paid work. Per capita income is income per earning person. income per person, income per family, or income per month? And students, answer for this is per capita income means income per person. In the comparative data on Haryana, Kerala and Uttar Pradesh, which state has the highest literacy rate? सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोग कौन सी स्टेट के हैं? हरियाणा, केरला, यूपी और all are equal? Answer, students, is Kerala has the highest literacy rate. In the data for the per capita income of Haryana, Kerala, Bihar, which state has the lowest per capita income? Bihar, Haryana और Kerala, or all are equal? Again a very easy one, आपने देखा होगा book में. Bihar has the lowest per capita income. More income means average out of needs of people, no effect on the common man, more of all things that human beings need, or more business. So students, बड़ा easy है. अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा तनख्वाह आएगी, you will have जो भी आपको चीज़ की ज़रूरत है वो आपके पास मिलेगी, जो आपकी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें हैं. So more income means more of all things that human beings need. India's HDI rank in the world is 134, 125, 126 और 115. Sorry students, यहाँ पे एक मिसप्रिंट हो गया है. इसमें एक ऑप्शन ये 126 वाला नहीं है, it is 130. And the correct answer is also that India's HDI rank in the world is 130. मैंने क्विज में ठीक कर दिया है. So when you attempt the quiz in the link which is available in the description, the option will be 130. So answer is 130. So if we refer the book, India has HDI rank in the world in 2018 as 130. It is coming up steadily, but it is not where we would expect to be, So it's 130. Per capita income is calculated in dash for all countries, in pounds, in rupees, in euros, or in dollars. Again a very easy one, हमें पता है, हमने पढ़ा था. The per capita income is in dollars. So low income is 955 and highest or जो rich countries होती हैं, they are above 12,056. So answer for this is per capita income is calculated in dollars for all the countries. And students, this brings to the last question of this part 2 of development chapter. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do like, subscribe and share my channel. That keeps me motivated. Now the last question is, in which state of India the infant mortality rate is lowest? ये हमने कर लिया, I think repeat हो गया है. फिर भी let's do it. Kerala, Bihar, Goa या Uttar Pradesh? So students, the lowest infant mortality rate in India is in Kerala. सबसे कम बच्चे जो हैं उनकी वहाँ पे डेथ होती है in Kerala because of good structure, infrastructure, health facilities and other things. That's the reason. And thank you students for watching this video. I'll be uploading part 3 and part 4 very soon. I wish you all the success and good luck for your exams and life. Keep watching and keep sharing.